The sun has just unleashed an unprecedented series of massive solar flares, including a rare 5.1x flare, launching powerful coronal mass ejections, CMEs, directly at Earth. Scientists warn this Cannibal solar storm could trigger geomagnetic storms strong enough to disrupt satellites, GPS, communications, and even power grids. In this urgent space weather report, we'll break down what's happening, why it's so dangerous, and what could happen over the next 24 to 48 hours. The clock is ticking. Are we truly ready for this cosmic threat? What is a Cannibal solar storm? A Cannibal solar storm is one of the most dramatic events in space weather. It occurs when a new solar flare overtakes a previous one, merging together to create a supercharged storm. Imagine two massive waves in the ocean colliding and forming an even bigger, more destructive wave. That's what happens in the sun's atmosphere. Over the past 72 hours, the sun has released three major flares: 1.7x flare, 1.2x flare, and the colossal 5.1x flare. Each of these ejected high-energy particles and coronal mass ejections, CMEs, into space, racing directly toward Earth. What makes this particular storm so unusual is its intensity and rarity. The 5.1x flare was powerful enough to cause a ground level enhancement, GLE, producing a 10x increase in ultra-high-energy protons, greater than 500 MeV. GLEs are extremely rare events that can pose real hazards to astronauts, satellites, and high-altitude flights. Geophysicists like Stefan Burns emphasize that these events are not just theoretical, they can have immediate technological and societal impacts. Cannibal storms are especially concerning because merging CMEs amplify the magnetic fields. When these charged particles reach Earth's magnetosphere, they can trigger geomagnetic storms, classified from G1, minor, to G5, extreme. Current forecasts predict conditions starting from G2, G4, potentially spiking to G5 over the next 24 hours. This is the kind of storm that can affect everything from your smartphone GPS to major power grids, making understanding it essential for preparedness. In short, this isn't your average solar flare. It's a cosmic juggernaut, racing at millions of kilometers per hour, with enough energy to shake Earth's technological backbone. Potential impacts on Earth. The effects of a Cannibal solar storm are both dramatic and far-reaching. First, there's the disruption of satellites and communications. GPS systems can go offline, affecting everything from airline navigation to everyday smartphone apps. Satellite signals could experience temporary blackouts, while radio communications, especially in high-latitude regions, might be severely disrupted. Next, geomagnetic storms can impact power grids. Strong currents induced in the Earth's surface can overload transformers, potentially causing blackouts across large regions. Countries with older infrastructure are particularly vulnerable. Historical storms, like the famous 1989 Quebec blackout, show how a solar event can bring cities to a halt without warning. Even airline passengers aren't entirely safe. During extreme solar storms, high-energy radiation at cruising altitudes can slightly increase exposure, especially near the poles. This is why air traffic controllers sometimes reroute flights during intense solar activity. Interestingly, these storms also create a stunning natural phenomenon, the aurora borealis and australis. While the potential for disruption is serious, the skies over northern latitudes might light up with brilliant, rare auroras, visible even in areas that normally never see them. Overall, the Cannibal solar storm is a double-edged sword, awe-inspiring in its cosmic power, but potentially devastating for human technology and infrastructure. Awareness, monitoring, and preparation are crucial to minimize its impact on Earth. What scientists are saying and preparing for. Scientists around the world are closely monitoring this storm. Agencies like NASA and NOAA are tracking the CMEs as they hurtle toward Earth at millions of kilometers per hour. In fact, NASA recently postponed rocket launches due to concerns about satellite safety and astronaut exposure. Geophysicist Stefan Burns has issued urgent alerts, emphasizing that while extreme events are rare, their effects on Earth could be significant and rapid. Ground-based monitoring stations are watching proton flux levels from the GLE caused by the 5.1x flare. This rare increase in high-energy protons not only signals a powerful solar event, but also helps scientists predict the intensity of geomagnetic storms when the CMEs reach Earth. Preparedness is key. Power companies may adjust transformer loads, airlines may reroute polar flights, and satellite operators can temporarily shut down sensitive instruments to prevent damage. Public awareness is also crucial. While most people won't notice the storm directly, technology and navigation systems could face temporary glitches. The next 24 to 48 hours will be critical. Scientists continue to model the storm's trajectory and magnetic alignment, which largely determines how strongly Earth will feel the impact. The combination of intensity, speed, and the Cannibal effect makes this storm a rare event that could push space weather monitoring to new limits. The Cannibal solar storm is a cosmic force unlike anything we've seen in decades. While it may disrupt technology and communications, it also reminds us of the sun's incredible power. Stay alert, follow updates, and witness one of the most spectacular and dangerous space events of our lifetime. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more space updates and cosmic discoveries, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Your support means the world and keeps our journey going.